In this video, we are going to compare conventional TN trailer hub assembly and Enduraset pre-adjusted wheel hub assembly. Both installations begin with the same preparation: cleaning the spindle, lubricating bearing and seal journals. Both hubs are slid onto the spindle with precise alignment to protect the seal and ABS ring. While the conventional assembly requires manual bearing setup, Enduraset comes factory prepared with the correct bearing setting. The conventional hub requires multiple torque steps and precise adjustment. Too much or too little torque risks failure. Enduraset simplifies this with a single torque, no backing off, no readjustment, fully preset by design. At this point, Enduraset installation is complete. The conventional hub requires careful washer alignment and precise nut tightening. Only 0.001 to 0.005 inches end play is acceptable. Any deviation risks early failure. Conventional hub assembly installation is now complete. The conventional hub requires multiple precision steps, careful adjustments and high skill. Enduraset installs quickly, needs minimal skill, and delivers consistent performance with extended service life. Less downtime, more miles. Thanks for watching.